Cooking tutorial number 2, and this week we will be making lasagna. Start by preheating the oven to 350 and getting this pan hot. Let me show you guys what you need. I buy a lasagna pan because it's easier. You can just throw this away when you're done. I buy lasagna sheets, no boiling required because I'm being lazy. Chicken broth, extra virgin olive oil, ricotta, mozzarella, parmesan, stewed tomatoes, tomato paste, your seasonings, whatever you like. Have some garlic powder. Meat of choice. If you want to use meat, you do not have to use meat. You can just do veggies if you want. And I have some sage and some fresh thyme. I added some olive oil to the pot. Waiting for it to get hot. I'm gonna turn it down a bit. You don't want it too high. There's some sage. I never ever cooked with sage, but I'm gonna try it. I love the taste. I just never used it. Onion powder. Sorry. It's actually garlic powder. Kosher salt. Don't know how much. Black pepper. And we're gonna try this into the everglade seasoning. It's really good. And done. It smells amazing. Alright, so this is very lean. Maybe some more olive oil. I think so. I'm gonna add more olive oil because it's super lean, which is good, but I need some fat, some type of oil. I'm gonna add some onion powder. And some Italian seasoning. Of course, this is an Italian dish. Alright, so the meat is pretty much done. To this, I'm going to add 1 can of stewed tomatoes. And 1 can of tomato paste. I use the one with basil, garlic, and oregano. This is how we are going to make our homemade pasta sauce. Well, I mean, it's kind of homemade. We're still using cans, but what I mean is we're not using jar pasta sauce. And now to this, ooh, it's getting hot. We're going to add chicken broth. That is how you make a homemade pasta sauce. Let's do that much. Honestly, I think I added way too much chicken broth. But it would thicken up, so maybe not. To that, I am going to add some thyme. And 2 bay leaves. Always count your bay leaves because that's something that you need to take out. You do not want people to get a bite of bay leaf. It's not what you want. It's just for flavor, but at some point you do need to remove it. Alright, since we just added the stewed tomatoes, the tomato paste, and the chicken broth, you do want to re-season this. I'm going to add some more black pepper, some more garlic powder. I love garlic powder. And I find that all of my pasta needs to have a lot of garlic, so trust me, I'm not overdoing it. I'm gonna add a little more Everglades. Definitely a little bit more salt. Some more Italian seasoning. Some onion powder, and I added more black pepper off camera. Guys, look how beautiful that looks. Oh my gosh, my lasagna is amazing. If you never had it, I feel sorry for you. But it's fine, because if you follow this recipe, you too can eat my lasagna. Homemade by you. Alright, the sauce is done. We're gonna do the next step. Combine 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. I don't know if that's 1 cup, but I don't care. I did half a bag. And half a bag of Parmesan cheese. You mix this all together. Oops. Start assembling the lasagna. Like I said before, I use the fresh lasagna sheets. You do not need to boil them. We're gonna start by putting them 2 sheets side by side at the bottom of the pan. I don't want to do too much sauce because I did add way too much to the pot. So you don't want it to be like too soupy, but do it however you want. You're just gonna put some at the bottom. This is our first layer. So make sure it is covered. All that good stuff in there. We're gonna place little dots all over. When you bake it, this will melt and spread. You have to make your lasagna this way. I'm telling you, it's super good. Something else you can do is you can spread it if you like. I honestly do this all the time. I always spread it out a little bit. Not too much. Next 2 layers on top. And you are going to repeat the process. Chunks of tomatoes in there. I don't know about y'all, but I love tomatoes, so extra chunks for me, please. Look how good that looks. Pour some of that cheese out. Now, this is the last layer, so make sure you hook this baby up. Why not? Right? Why not? I'm doing smaller dots because I only have that much left, which is perfectly fine because we are about to add the finished
finishing touch to this. You guys will see what that is in 1 second. Can I read here? Baby drop. That is right.
But as time goes on, I will get better with these videos. I will get more vocal. I'm not very talkative, so I don't be knowing what to say to y'all. Okay, there we go. Just because Italian seasonings for the pretty green color. If I had some basil, I'll put basil, but I don't have fresh basil, and this Italian seasoning has basil, so we're good to go. We're gonna cover this now. Cover it. 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. Can y'all see how pretty it is? It's a beautiful day. But it's about that time. Let's go check our food. Look at my plant. She's so beautiful. Her name is Jade, if y'all care to know. Okay, so I'm just going to take the aluminum foil off and let it bake for like another 5 minutes or so. Ooh, it smells like pizza. All right, another 5 minutes just to let the cheese melt. Actually, we're gonna do 7 minutes. I'll give y'all a quick little apartment tour. My room is back that way. This is the living room. I was supposed to be watching the Patriots play today, but I did not. A little disappointed in myself. I don't even know if they won. How beautiful. This is the time of day you do not want to sit out here. Y'all see why, right? Super bright. Here's where I live. Welcome to North Miami. One day I'm gonna do a vlog and show y'all around town and some restaurants and stuff. Isn't it beautiful? There it is. Beautiful lasagna. We're gonna let it cool. I'm gonna plate it so you guys can see. And we're gonna serve it with something simple tonight. Just a garden salad. Straight out the bag. All right, now it's time to plate it. Oh my gosh. Guys, can you see this? Whoa. Come on. Look at that. And this is only 3 layers. You can do 5 layers. You can do 6 layers. Whatever you want. Some garlic bread. However, I'm not making any garlic bread tonight. favorite dressings. Not doing any tomatoes, any cucumbers. Keeping it simple. All right, I'm gonna end this video and finish enjoying the rest of my Sunday. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's my second cooking video. I appreciate all of you that shared my previous video, that liked it, that commented, that subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe, please share this video. Please attempt this recipe at home and let me know how it comes out. Happy Sunday, guys.